Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Friday. A cold front is approaching the Western Cape at the moment, and this will cause a brief period of rain overnight tonight. Meanwhile, we're expecting thunderstorms in the Karoo for the rest of today. This morning's satellite image shows mostly clear conditions over the eastern parts of South Africa. The cold front is causing strong winds over the western interior, and that's also contributing to the high daytime temperatures in the Eastern Cape this afternoon. High cloud precedes the cold front and is starting to move in over the southwestern Cape, and we have a 60% chance of rain tonight for the southwestern Cape, and rain will spread up the west coast as well. Isolated thunderstorms predicted for a large part of the northern and eastern Cape today. A very low risk of storms over the eastern Free State and also on the high veld and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. We're keeping the forecast mostly dry for Gauteng, northwest and the Free State, but we're expecting good chances of storms later on in the Karoo areas. The cold front makes landfall between 8 and 10 o'clock this evening, with light rain starting against the mountains, but rain will clear quite rapidly once the front has moved through. Let's talk about rainfall amounts. Up to 10 millimeters possible in the vicinity of Cape Town, much less further east over the eastern parts of the Western Cape, and thunderstorms are quite likely to bring up to 20 millimeters of rain in places in the northern and eastern Cape today. There's a warning for a high fire danger over the western interior, where it's very breezy and hot this afternoon. The wind speed reached up to 30 kilometers per hour in Sutherland, Cape Town with a strong northwesterly wind, and strong northeasterlies likely in Durban today with speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. That keeps temperatures at bay along the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Nevertheless, it's still hot and humid in Durban with a high of 30, much warmer along the Wild Coast, 33 in East London, 37 degrees in Bishu, Cape Town at a high of 25, and in Pretoria we're expecting a warm afternoon with a maximum of 29. Tomorrow, thunderstorms remain likely over the central parts of South Africa. Rain clears rapidly from the west, and we're expecting cooler weather to reach KZN during the course of Sunday, together with a chance of light rain. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.